Dear students, we will discuss about 5-membered heterocyclic compounds in this lecture. So, heterocyclic compounds are the cyclic compounds containing one or more different kinds of atoms in addition to carbon in their ring structure. On the basis of aromatic character, they are mainly divided into two categories: non-aromatic or acyclic heterocyclic compounds, which do not obey Huckel's rule. And here are some examples of these, like oxetane, oxirane, etc. Aromatic heterocyclic compounds further divided into number of categories depending upon the ring size and number of atoms present in that ring. First, 5-membered heterocyclic compound with one heteroatom, 6-membered heterocyclic compound with one heteroatom, then 5-membered heterocyclic compounds with two heteroatoms, 6-membered heterocyclic compound with two heteroatoms, and another important category is heterocyclic ring condensed with benzene. Ring means condensed heterocyclic compounds like benzofuran, quinoline, indole, isoquinoline, etc. So we will discuss 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, and there are three compounds: pyrrole, furan, thiophene. Pyrrole has nitrogen as a heteroatom. In furan, oxygen is present, and thiophene has sulfur in this structure. In case of pyrrole, the hybridization of carbon and nitrogen is sp2 hybridization. The nitrogen has one lone pair in unhybridized p orbital. Similarly, each carbon has one electron in unhybridized p orbital. When let's see molecular orbital structure, the structure shows that sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen overlap with sp2 hybrid orbitals of adjacent carbon, and one sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen. As we can see, there is one atom, one electron in unhybridized p orbital of each carbon, and one lone pair is present in unhybridized p orbital of nitrogen. These unshared electrons or unhybridized p orbitals overlap with each other and form 6 pi electron cloud over the ring. So, as pyrrole has 6 pi electrons and it obeys Huckel's rules, 4n plus 2 pi electrons, so pyrrole is aromatic in nature. Then we can see resonance structures. Lone pair on the nitrogen is in conjugation with the double bond of pyrrole ring. So we can draw number of resonance structures, and pyrrole can be represented as this ionic form also, having positive charge on the nitrogen and negative charge on the ring. Now comes furan. In case of furan, similarly like pyrrole, carbon is sp2 hybridized and oxygen is also has sp2 hybridization. In the same way, oxygen has one lone pair in unhybridized p orbital, and each carbon has one electron in unhybridized p orbital. From the molecular orbital picture, it is clear that there is 6 pi electron cloud above and below the ring of furan. So it also obeys Huckel's rule and aromatic in nature. There are number of structures. Resonance structures can be drawn for furan, as lone pair of oxygen is in conjugation with double bond of a ring. So we can draw number of structures as shown in this slide. Then thiophene. Thiophene, in the same way, thiophene has sp2 hybridized carbon and sp2 hybridized sulfur in ground state, and lone pair of electron present in 3p orbital of sulfur, and in case of carbon, unpaired electron present in unhybridized p orbital. So from molecular orbital picture, it is clear there are total 6 pi electrons present, which form pi electron cloud over the ring, and this also obeys aromatic. rule, Huckel's rule, means aromatic in nature. Resonance structures of thiophenes, the as lone pair on the sulfur is in conjugation with the double bond of ring, so we can draw number of structures as shown in first line above. Also, sulfur has vacant 3d orbital. It has additional resonance structures because sulfur can withdraw electron towards itself due to vacant 3d orbital, so it can possess negative charge and positive charge on the ring delocalized by conjugation with other bonds. The next question, very important question, is relative aromatic character of these 5-membered heterocyclic compounds and also its comparison with the aromatic character of benzene. On the basis of resonance structures of pyrrole, furan and thiophene, we can compare it with benzene. As we already see, there is separation of positive and negative charge in case of heterocyclic compound, but we already study in case of benzene there are two main structures without charge separation. So as benzene has no charge separation, this benzene is more stable and it is more aromatic than these heterocyclic compounds. As all compounds obey Huckel's rule, so all are aromatic in nature, but benzene is more aromatic due to stable resonance structures without charge separation. In case of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, resonance structures as involve charge separation, we already see. It further depends upon electronegativity of heteroatom. Heteroatoms present in 3 compounds are oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, and order of electronegativity is same. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen than sulfur. So greater the electronegativity, lesser will be tendency of that atom to donate electron to ring. So lesser will be delocalization of electron and lesser will be aromatic character. And additionally, thiophene has extra resonance structures due to vacant 3d orbital. So overall aromatic character can be defined as benzene is more aromatic because there is no charge separation in contributing structures than thiophene. Thiophene has a sulfur which has less electronegativity and additional resonance structures. Then comes pyrrole which has nitrogen which is less electronegative than oxygen of furan. So overall order is benzene is more aromatic than thiophene, than pyrrole, than furan. Next topic is mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. We have already studied this type of mechanism in chapter of benzene in last classes. So first step is generation of electrophile in which electrophile generates. Then second is formation of carbocation intermediate. Electrophile attacks on ring, heterocyclic ring at second position preferably due to more resonance stability of intermediate formed in case attack takes place at second position, and this carbocation is resonance stabilized. The last step is loss of proton and formation of substituted heterocyclic compound, substituted pyrrole here. The next is very important question, relative rates of electrophilic substitution reaction in pyrrole, furan and thiophene. So we can see here in the second step, because this is slow in case of mechanism, so it will be rate determining step or relative rate of these compounds depend upon compared on the basis of the second step. So in each case, when carbocation form, it is resonance hybrid of these three structures, and out of these 1 to 3 structures, structure 3 in case of pyrrole, structure 3A in case of furan and structure 3b in case of thiophene is more stable because each structure has complete octet. Each atom in this structure has 8 electrons in their valence shell. So according to Hammett's postulate, a reaction involving more stable intermediate should be faster. So it will depend upon electronegativity of heteroatoms. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen than sulfur. So according to the electronegativity, the predicted order of stability of structure is thiophene more stable, intermediate forms, than pyro, than furan. But there is main point that dominate this expected order is size of sulfur. 3p orbitals of sulfur bigger in size than 2p orbital of carbon, so they cannot effectively overlap with 2p orbital of carbon as compared to pyrrole and furan. So actual order is pyrrole more electronegative. Pyrrole is more reactive toward electrophilic substitution reaction than furan, than thiophene, that is at this order due to its size, and least reactive toward electrophilic substitution reaction is benzene. Because when we compare these with benzene and we see carbocation formed in case of benzene, then resonance structure of this carbocation will show us no structure has complete octet. There is no structure in which each atom has complete octet. So benzene is less reactive, less relative rate toward electrophilic substitution reaction as compared to five-membered heterocyclic compounds. So with this we conclude our this general topics of five-membered heterocyclic compounds. Thank you.